Thank you, sir.
My name is Ann Hoffer Lambert.
I see that you are supporting the Hurricane Melissa disaster relief effort here through the JAHJAH Foundation and SAMS.
Yes,
Why was it so important to you to support?
because it's the country of my birth. And seeing all those people who in need, really tore at my heart.
I'm Devan.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet
what
you.
did you bring here today for the people of Jamaica?
We brought food items and some toiletries. I have to go back to the car to get the others.
I have a bunch of infant and children stuff.
That's your area that you like.
Well, I support it. I already sent some stuff with another the church
Right.
for the women.
Okay.
Women and children is my area.
You're special to that.
Yes.
So why was it so important for you to give back to Jamaica?
Well, we are Jamaicans and we've gotten so much, so we have to give back at a time of need. You're welcome, JAHJAH. I know about JAHJAH because we're in the healthcare industry as well.
Okay.
So
Oh, you're in the healthcare
thank you
too,
for
right?
what you do.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Well, thank you for doing your part to help the people, okay? And you
All right,
know,
God bless.
when we give it to JAHJAH, it's going to the people.
I know
that.
We
We
know
know
that.
that. We know that. And we thank you. This is easy because we love SAMS
Right.
and it's an easy drop-off point for us.
Okay.
All right. Thank
All right,
you.
thank you.
Thank you.